It's not the first time I've seen a nut like this, where the bale roller has a nut that's split like it's a flathead screw, but then the central pin of whatever is coming into it goes through that space. And I didn't know how to tighten those until I remembered I had a set of security bits. And look at that. In the set of security bits, there's this guy. Now, if I put that in, that goes right between those two, and I was able to tighten it just right. It's not the first time I've seen that. I think I saw it in the Remington Portable number 2 has one of those on its line spacer. You don't need a specialty tool? I guess you do, but you don't need a custom tool or like an antique tool. Set of security bits might do it for you.